Hey everyone, we're at the warehouse and 4 L cases. Let's have a look inside them. Alright, here we have 4 L cases. There's double LD, double LD, double LE and double LF. So a few different assortments of L case here. Let's see what we get. Regular demon. And yes, I am just looking for supers because I've already got all the cars I need from the L case assortment. I'll check the other sides in just a minute. These are parallel imported, hence the plastic wrap on them. And phone call in the middle of hunting. So these are sent to New Zealand, where I am, from Mattel, India. It says on the side. So, yeah, not sure what the story is there. Usually we get normal cases, but these have been opened and then stickered. But I've seen one person find a soup in one. Alright, nothing in this one. Last L case. Let's see. It's gonna get copyrighted for Taylor Swift. Don't want her taking my money. So there's nothing in the top of these. There were a few for these regular treasure hunts, which I'm gonna leave. There's one there, one here, one there, and one here. All of them with the beds stuck on. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's flip them over and see what's in the other side. Alright, here's the bottom of the first L case. We've got a nice assortment of cars. Although, oh, why is that not? Doesn't look riveted properly. But there are no Dodge Demons down here, which means no soup. But there is that, which is always nice. Interesting, the parallel imported ones with the sticker on the back always have the rectangle blister, and all the other ones don't. So interesting, right there. On to the next one. Oh yeah, this one too. So that, yeah, that would be the. Also could be a candidate for the super. Alright, 3 more to go. Alright, bottom of the second L case. Let's have a look. There's one Cougar, it's a regular. Cool casting though. There's the Centenario. Lots of cool cars in this case. Tomorrow is the New Zealand Hot Wheels Collectors Convention, so look forward to a video on that. That'll be such a cool event. First time I've been there with an actual ticket, so I'll get some merchandise with that. It'll be really sweet. So yeah, keep an eye out for that in your subscription feed. This one doesn't even have a Cougar. It's got the Miata though. That's a nice little model there. Very nice. And we have one more case to go. This plastic is really annoying. But, you know, these cases are probably going to be... Dang it. These cases are probably going to be put in the dump bin tomorrow anyway, so the warehouse staff can put the rubbish away then. No Cougar in this one either. But there's the jerry-rigged gasser, the old blue one. Look how wrecked the cards of these are, because they've been taken out and repackaged into the case with the stickers on the back. It's quite annoying. Oh, what's that? A little piece of black plastic on there. Interesting. Alright, I'm gonna close all the tops of these boxes like that and stack them up for the warehouse employee to put them back off the aisle, ready to be put out on the shelves some other time. There are also these weird Mario Kart cars which no one's ever gonna buy because they're $9. But yeah, interesting that they're at the warehouse now. 4 for $10 New Zealand dollar price. It's the new Wave Cravers 5-pack as well. Yeah, thanks everyone so much for watching. See you next time.